Okay guys, we are here with Stella and we're going to show you how to do the at-home Christinette's rose gold tint. And you just buy it at Target and it's the best ever because there's so many other colored tints that don't wash out very well. We've had such good luck with this one. So I'm going to have my assistants come on over. And what we're going to do is make sure we prep before. Like, we put towels on the ground. You can't see them right now, but we put towels to make sure if it gets a little messy that it doesn't ruin our floor. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with, actually, girls, I'll start over here and then I'll have you like work it in. Okay. It's just a spray, so it's really easy to spray on.
So you just like rub it in?
Yeah. And the girls are going to start rubbing it in.
That's so good on her hair.
And the directions, I believe, are to get your hair wet and put it in, but what we're gonna do is, you keep working that in, okay?
Here, I can get a towel.
Yeah,
should we get a cape?
Oh, just get a towel.
Oh, it comes off. Oh wait, look, there's one right here.
I don't think
that's a cape.
We should have prepped our plant with the cape, but we forgot. So, what we're doing is just going around.
I can go back.
And I'm just spraying pieces. But I'm doing small pieces because I don't want it to be a mess. And I want it to be able to be super even. I'm just gonna come over here and I'm gonna get on the side. Really, do you know where the capes are? Yeah. Okay.
Everything's good. So good. I know, I love this smell.
Yeah, and not only that, but it smells so delicious. Like, I don't even know what the smell is, but
I know.
She did really good on the smell department. So I'm just taking pieces, starting at the root,
Let me get this piece.
And really bringing it down. And I want it to be really even. I'll just keep spraying pieces where she works it through. And then after, we'll really brush it in. We're gonna put a cape on first, but next time we should probably have our client put a cape on beforehand. It's just a slight malfunction here. No biggie.
Oh. Perfect. Sorry, that one's like the worst cape to grab. That's so weird. Feels cool.
Okay, now we're just gonna continue.
We're back.
The process.
Yes, we're back. Guys, I'm lonely. I don't have a bottle. Okay.
You're lonely?
Oh, you found one?
I don't have a bottle. Yeah, but it's almost gone.
Okay, just dripping everywhere.
Oh boy. You could also do this in the shower.
That'd probably be a better idea.
Like you could have someone standing in the shower.
Not when you're naked, though.
But and we wanted to make sure that we got this on video, and I didn't really want a video in the shower, you know?
It'd be a little awkward. Yeah, it would.
So we're just keep taking small sections, and once we get it all, then we're gonna really
soak them.
We're gonna really brush it through. Yeah. Make sure you don't spray too much that it drips. Oh, Chrissy has those white shoes. Oh, gee.
Uh-oh.
You might want to go wipe it out.
You think? Should I wipe it out?
Probably don't wear white shoes when you're coming with their pink.
Sorry. I'm gonna wipe it off.
You can take those gloves off and then, because you did your job. Good job.
I'm done?
Yeah.
Make it wipe it off.
I won't recommend wearing white Birkenstocks.
Okay. I pulled up after the party. You and all your friends and nothing goodbye. Sipping on 1942. Okay, I pulled up after the party. Guys, go follow us on TikTok. Yeah. Kate's is just Kate and Ross, and mine is Stella K. Rose. They're pretty much combined. Pretty much. I think you got my hair a little. No, I didn't. You did. No, I didn't. Look, I did. I see it. I didn't. I feel it. I didn't. I didn't. Oh, she did. I see it. I don't see anything. I don't either.
Okay, so now
You brush it.
make sure it's all covered. Very saturated.
Oops, sorry.
On the YouTube. Okay, so we're just gonna let that cook for a little while.
Oh, yeah.
Like 15 minutes.
Fire is the best thing.
Okay guys, so look at this beautiful pink hair. So we already washed it and conditioned it, and we kind of let her hair air dry and she just kind of scrunched it. But now I'm just touching it up a little bit with some curls, nothing crazy. And as you can see, it's the perfect pink color. You're all crying, are we?
Yes. So cute. So cute.
So cute.
Cody approves.
He's a big fan. Big fan. So now I'm just taking. He did a heart even.
Yeah. I love you. Cody's like, I love you.
Now I'm just taking one of my favorite curling irons and curling it all back and under. Okay. And just kind of twisting it as I curl. And then we'll make everything that we use down below, and you can do it yourself at home. And you'll be a big fan of it. Now we're gonna just spray a little extra spray.
That looks so cute. I wish my hair was
Okay,
blonde.
so I know. So now there you have the Christiness. Beautiful.
Look.
Beautiful pink hair. Look to the left. Look at that.
Oh my. It's like cotton candy pink.
Way.
Have you seen it yet?
It
Yep, I
looks
can see it.
so gorgeous.
That's so cute.
I'm just a big fan. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget you can buy it at Target, do it at home, follow our steps, take precautions, use a cape, and
Don't wear white shoes.
don't wear white shoes. And come say bye, guys. Don't put on that curling iron though. And we shall see you next time.
Bye. Subscribe. Yep.